Good morning, Ryan.
What's up?
What are you doing today?
Taking you to work today.
Why?
Because you broke your car, that's why.
I didn't break it.
Okay, well it doesn't work, and you're the only one that drives it, so we're gonna go ahead and assume that you broke it. Stupid turn signal's broken.
What is it doing?
It's broke.
Okay. These other people are probably thinking we're really creepy and we're videotaping them. So I'm gonna stop. I love you.
I'm editing most of this out.
I love you.
Whatever.
What?
Whatever.
Ryan Johnson, I love you.
Okay, I love you too, bye.
Okay.
So just to give you all an idea what's going on with the turn signal switch and how it's affecting her lights. Right now, her lights are off. When the lights are off, it's a bright green circle around everything. So I'm gonna turn the lights on, and you see the circle gets dimmer. There it is. When I turn the turn signal on, there it went back to bright. See, whenever it goes back to bright, all the lights turn off, headlights and tail lights. And that is not good when you're driving in the rain. And sometimes they turn off and she doesn't even know it. So, just made a quick stop at the AutoZone. Got the new part, be installing it shortly. Okay, we're just about to start here, and as you can see, you might not be able to see, it's raining. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's raining. So, first thing you want to do, this is as far as the steering wheel will go up. Put the steering wheel up, move the seat back. There are 3 Phillips head screws in these holes, and after you take those screws out, this panel will pop in half. Okay, we got our screws out, so now I'm going to use the flathead of the screwdriver to pop the panel open and to show you where I'm putting it. I'm aiming for right, oh, you can't even see that, there you go. I'm aiming for right there. This is hard to do with one hand while you're holding the camera. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. This one's a little bit harder because you got to deal with the ignition. When I say ignition, I'm talking about that. So I got the 2 panels separated, and then you want to pull, put your finger out here and pull towards you, and it'll come off the ignition switch. Then both these panels should be able to come off relatively easy. I say relatively, and I'm going to put the steering wheel down as much as it'll go, so I can get the top cover out. Okay, and now we've got the problem child here. Our turn signal, which is held in place by these 2 bolts here, which is actually a good thing because that means we don't have to worry about where the steering wheel is. So, let's get to taking them out. Okay, to remove this connector, I don't know if you can see it. Right here, there's a little tab where you can put your thumb. You want to push down and then pull out. And that's it. And now we take our new guy and put it in place. And then This whole, let me get where I can see the camera. Damn it. All right. This whole piece slides in these two grooves. There's one at the bottom and there's one at the top. So, get it in place. And if you can see it here, that guy's just gonna slide right in that hole. And then you put your 2 screws back in the top and bottom and you're pretty much done. Okay, we got the new turn signal in, everything's looking good. Before we put the covers back on, you want to go ahead and start your car. At least I'm going to start mine, you can do whatever you want. Why is that making that noise? There we go. Okay, so lights are off, green dot is really bright, turn my lights on, dot gets dim, and I'm wiggling this turn signal. Like if you did this before, it would flicker bright then dim because the lights would be turning on and off. And then every time you did the turn signal, the lights would turn on and off. But both turn signals are working in and out of the car. That's working. So all you gotta do now is put the panels back on and your job is done. That's it. Okay, took us a grand total of 12 minutes while I was trying to deal with the camera, so easy job.